guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot minute, but today's video, I don't know, I just needed some inspiration, and I've been kind of like on a makeup block, I guess you can say. Like, I don't know, I need to get inspired, and I don't know. So today I was like, okay, well, I decided to do a video for you guys of when I need to go somewhere, and I normally hardly ever go anywhere without makeup unless it's like an emergency and I need to go somewhere and I feel like crap or something. I don't know, but I need to go somewhere today, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a video for you guys on a fast-paced video for you guys. I'm not doing a tutorial, not really talking in the video, just kind of putting music on and just showing you guys on how I do my makeup when I need to go somewhere, like quick, fast, and it's just grabbing to the products that I normally use on a daily basis, and just kind of do my makeup. So some of the products that you're going to see in the video are some things that are new that I am using, and I've just been using for a few days now, or since I purchased it, I've been using it. So yeah, that's what the video is going to be about. I finally did my hair. I finally straightened it. I can see that I have some breakage right here just because I've been wearing my hair in a bun a lot lately. I don't know, but I went ahead and straightened it just because I had got my hair refreshed and I hadn't even wore it down until that day that I got it done. But anyway, this is going to be the look that I am doing. It's just something quick, something fast, something easy. It's just to the point where, okay, it looks good, it looks glam, but I gotta go do something type of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put some sound music. You're probably not listen to the same music that I was listening to, just because of copyright and YouTube and all that. They'll probably flag my video if we put like music that we're not supposed to put on here. But anyway, I will find some kind of cool jam or whatever just to put in the video. That way you guys could see it, and yeah, just grab a snack, sit down, and just chill with me, or do our makeup together, whichever you want to do. But anyway, this is going to be a fast pace how I do my makeup on a daily. So anyway, if you want to see this video, then let's watch the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you at the end of the video. final look of what I did. I kind of just straightened my hair and did my makeup. As you saw, it's quick, fast, easy, and something really cool. I really love digging this yellow. This is something new that I just decided to do during the video. I know sometimes you do your makeup and you just kind of get inspired to do other little things, little tricks and stuff like that. But anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.